Hey everyone, welcome to TeamCodingPlaza. The tutorial today we're going to look into that concatenation using concat function in Oracle, right? So in last video we have seen that using pipes operators how to use the concatenation, and today we are going to look into that how to use using the function. Okay, there is some differences there, and there is an interview questions in difference also. I will explain you in this video. See, start the video. Select start. You're having a table that IRCTC users, right? So that then table is there that IRCTC users. So in last video what we have did, so we have concatenated two columns using pipes operators, and we can have concatenated the static strings also, right? So same like that here I have to concatenate two different columns like first name and last. So instead of pipes operators I am going to use concat function. And type. So yeah, there is a syntax for this. I'm going to write the syntax. So right, concat. So the concat function will only accept two string parameters. Okay, two char or two string parameters. Okay, the string columns are string parameters, right? So basically I'm writing everybody knows about string, right? That's what we achieved here is the table. That's it, or the table. Right? So this is what the syntax. This is what the query. Okay. So like this, it can able to execute the query and it can able to come. But that one interview questions will be raised that what is the difference between pipes operator concatenation and what is the difference between concatenation function? Okay. So concatenation function, you can't able to add in between any spaces and all, right? You have to add some other strategies to use this. No, Rajesh Kumar is there. So you have to add a space in between these two letters, right? First name and last name. I want to divide. So some names will not be like readable, right? If it is merging, I want to add divide with space, right? First name, last name. So for that, concatenation will not be useful, right? So I want to concatenate another thing means another string means I think there is a table, right? So I'm having what table? Start from my IRCTC to the slope. See, I want to match same like here. See, this IRCTC user is there, no? Like this, I want to match means again another concat I have to write, another concatenation I have to. Okay, so that here I have to add. So like this, but full-fledged I can't able to do like pipes operator. As of my view, pipes operator is very best to customize your strings, whatever it is there. But if you are using internal functions, that also will improve the performance from that. So this is what the interview perspective, it will be differences there. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. For more OracleSQL tutorials, stay tuned for more tips and tricks from TeamCodingPlaza. Thanks for watching the video. Nice to see you.